Okay, so before we start this video, I wanted to check whether the disc that came with the AOC, as you can see here, I want to see what's inside, so let's check it out. As you can see, there's a user guide, and we'll open it and let's see what's on the disc. Okay, so AOC, there's an image file and .exe file, looks like Adobe Flash. Auto run, drivers, e-saver. I think this is only for Windows only, so maybe this could be compatible with my gaming PC and the ASUS laptop. So let the video begin. What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nived Legend 123 and today we are here to be taking a look at the AOC G2 series Q27G2S 27-inch gaming monitor. So it has NVIDIA G-Sync, a QHD 1440p display, 155Hz, a Dolby Vision and 1 millisecond response time. So this is a 27-inch monitor with 2560 by 1440p resolution. Let's get right into it. Okay, let's open this box. Here we have the please follow this instruction. The LCD is fragile. As the box was too heavy, it was very difficult to take out the box because the box is quite heavy and I had to take out the entire box for myself. So as you can see here, we have the stand. We also have the second stand. Very nice. And we have the power adapter. As you can see, the power adapter itself. And this is the HDMI cable. This is HDMI 2.0. And we have the disc, the AOC menu. And we have this AOC warranty brochure. If you want to pause the video, you can read this, all of this. We have the AOC important information menu, which is in different languages. And finally, we have something that I never used before. A mini display port a display port cable. This is my first time seeing this cable in person. Let's open this box. Okay, so let's open this box. Monitor is coming out. It's quite heavy. Okay, so I take out the monitor from the shrink wrap. Here's the monitor itself. So I need some time to assemble this monitor. So after assembling this monitor, I'll get right back to you. Okay, as you can see here, the monitor is fully set up. I just connected the power cable to the monitor. As you can see, It has a QHD display, a G-Sync DVDR, 1 millisecond response time, 155 Hz, 2 HDMI ports and 1 display port, made by AOC, also known as Philips. As you can see, it is 0.3 cm in borders. It's very thin bezel, and this is my first time having a monitor, so it shouldn't be of a problem. So let's set this up. Okay, let's turn this on. White light, AOC monitor, and so it should turn on. As you can see, no signal, so let's insert something into this monitor. Okay, as you can see here, I've connected the AOC monitor to my MacBook Pro over here. So let's see how it is done. So here is by the Nive's MacBook Pro, and both the display. We'll set it to mirror for Q27G2S Monitor. As you can see, we get to the main resolution itself, and so there are a lot of different resolutions we can choose, like 2480, 2048 by 1152, 1600 by 1200. Lots of different resolutions. We can even go 480p. Let's see what 480p looks like. Not good. Okay, let's go to 2560 by 4040, which is the maximum resolution of this monitor. There you go. So we can also control the brightness only on the MacBook Pro. You cannot change the brightness on the monitor. So here, as you can see here, all the options. We are running macOS Monterey, so it should be supported. I'll show you the monitor's menu in a bit. So as you can see here, there are a few buttons. So as you can see, you can turn on game mode. Okay, so this is the power button over here, and to turn off and turn on, then we get the AOC logo. Leave it till it loads up, and then we press this to bring out the menu, and here we can choose the different types of menu settings we want to have with this monitor. I won't get to them now. And here we can change the display, the input, HDMI 1, HDMI 2 and display port. The buttons are really hard to press, but yeah, it is a nice monitor. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on how should I improve my video below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.